Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much, first of all, for checking out this tutorial. So in this one, I'm going to show you a web application I have developed using Django. It's a Python framework. I hope you guys know about it very well because I've already posted many lectures on it earlier in the past. You must be knowing about everything related to Django. It gives us the power to combine HTML, CSS, and Python together to design some very beautiful and interactive web applications. And the one which you're seeing right now on your screen is one of the applications which I have designed using Django and its features. Now, before explaining you this project and before explaining you the code of this project, I would like to tell you about the course which I have come up with. So it's a Python course of 1 year in which you will be taught about everything related to artificial intelligence. There will be mobile application development, then there will be application development, software development, then there will be web application development, and you will be experiencing an industrial based project learning environment in this course. So if you want, you can avail this course. You just have to contact me on the below number, and I will give you all the details of this course. Definitely, you will take away many things from this course. You will not regret, and it will give you a lot of benefit in your career. Right. So if suppose you want to get selected in Google or Microsoft or in a multinational company, or you want to start your own business in future, definitely this course can help you a lot. This course will help you a lot, right? And you will be after finishing this course, definitely you will be able to develop mobile applications, web applications, every such kind of thing. So if you are interested, if you want to know the details, you can get in touch with me. You can ask your parents to just contact me on the below number, and I'll give them the details. Okay, so let's check out this application now, how it works. Let me first show you that before explaining you the code. And suppose if you want to search for any name, so for doing that, you can simply type the name of the person here. I want to search for Gaurav, so I've typed Gaurav, and let's hit this search button. So see, it is showing me Gaurav's name here, and it says that the relationship which I share with Gaurav is a student. Gaurav is my student. Basically, that's what this contact is telling me. This contact list application is telling me right now. Let's check out the profile of Gaurav Jain. So for that, we can hit this student option and see it is showing me the profile of Gaurav Jain. Can I delete Gaurav's profile from this contact list application? Let's check it out. So for that, I need to hit this settings option, and it has redirected me to Gaurav's profile. See, everything is visible to us over here. And right in the bottom of this application, I can see the delete option. Right, so let's hit this delete option, and it has redirected me to a page where a message is getting reflected which says, are you sure you want to delete this contact? So yes, I'm sure that I want to delete this contact. Let's hit this delete contact button. Oh yes, I'm able to successfully delete the contact now. Let me just refresh these web applications, and let me check whether Gaurav still exists or not. So no contacts found. You can see now I'm not able to see anything related to Gaurav here. Right, no contacts found. Let's check out uh, the profile of Mohan. No, I'm not able to see anything over here. Okay. And if I will remove everything, so automatically all the contacts which are there saved in my contact list will appear again. Right, so this is how the application works. If I want to add any profile, anything to this web application, how can I do that? So for that, we can hit this plus button, and it has redirected me, you can see, to this new page where I can simply mention the name of the person. For example, let's for now Mohanlal Jain, and he's my father. Contact number 8 820906053, let's say, address, and then I'm saving the contact. So my father's name is appearing right on the top over here. And if I will refresh this, if I will hit this search button, I'm able to see my father's name over here too. Right, so this is how this application works. If suppose I want to edit uh, anything, so I can hit this option and settings, and I think I'll be able to edit everything, whatever I've entered for my father. So if suppose I want to change the email address of my father to something like mohanlal@gmail.com, I think I'll be able to do it. Let's see the changes. So earlier it was Jan Gaurav 126, and now you can see it is mohanlal@gmail.com. So this is how the application works, and it's the very same contact application which you guys use on your Android phones and iPhones. So yes, this is possible. You guys can also develop it very easily if you guys know about Django. If you want to learn Django, definitely you can avail that 1 year course which I just told you about in the beginning. So that's the whole code I've used for building this application, right? So there are a couple of HTML files I've used here, fine, and then there are some CSS files. This is your urls.py file. So whatever files you're able to see here, I'm going to share it with you guys also. You can find a link in the description section of this video, which you can just click and it will redirect you to a drive where you can find all these files which you are able to see right now on the Sublime text of my device. Right, just download the files, run the project, and in case you come across any issues, do let me know about it so that I can help you guys out with the best possible solution. Fine, just think about the course once again. If you are finding these things interesting, if you want to really get an industrial level of coding experience, so you guys can take this course. It's very much affordable, right? You don't have to pay that much for the course. So just go for it. Ask your parents to give me a call on the number below, and I'll help them with all the details of the course. This is it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much guys for checking out this lecture again. Have a great day ahead, and please do not forget to like and share this video in your groups and make it reach to the maximum students possible, so that they can also, the ones who are not there on my channel right now, they can also come and enjoy these beautiful projects I am sharing on my channel. Thank you so very much for supporting me and my channel. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.